It is a beautiful day. We got up a very long time ago, and we have done absolutely nothing for the past long time. So
Lots of hours.
We're gonna clean up the house because it's a mess. And then, I don't know, we're gonna go hiking today. We're gonna have people over and play games. And I want to go to the skate park, but we have to clean up the house first. So we're gonna see if we can do that.
Quick clean.
House is clean. We're getting ready to go to the skate park now. And hopefully there won't be a lot of people there. To the skate park. She's practicing just riding on it. She's never been on a skateboard before. Or have you?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, first time on a skateboard.
I've tried to stand
Look at
on one before.
Look at that. Your awesome skills, first time. I'm still practicing. Yeah. So, we're only here for a few minutes. We gotta go home. We're at the skate park. This guy's name is Evan too. How awesome is that, man?
Good.
Hey, what's your name?
Will.
Will? Nice to meet you, Will. You guys keep having fun, alright? And we are going hiking. So, that's Mom.
This is me.
That's Roxy inside the car. We're gonna take Roxy. Door's locked, right? Did you check the door? Did you check the door? Good job, you did it. Taking the car. Let's go. Cool trail, awesome. Wife, Mom,
Awesome.
Mom's dog.
Hi.
It's a short hike. I think like half a mile or something, so no big deal. Got that fallen tree over there. Right there. Got it. There's the fam. We're on top of the waterfall. That it is beautiful. There's a whole bunch of ice. That's ice right there. You're gonna have to go down and see that. Pretty cool stuff. Let's go check out the ice. Stuff out. Whoa, it's slippery. Slippery ice. Who would have guessed? Wow, it's like really everything's coated in it. Look at that, it's super slick. Because everything has it on it. Look at those rocks. Literally everything just has like a sheet of ice on it. Wow, look at up there. Let's go up there. Teleportation is real. Look how high up we are. Whoa. Don't fall. Don't fall. Beautiful. Get outside and go places, people. It's awesome. Again, I want to see if I can like break it or something. Oh, cool. So that creek that we were next to, I dropped my phone in it. So That's why there wasn't a vlog on Sunday. So what did we do? Oh, we had game
We
night.
had game night. We had some people over.
Yeah, a few people over.
Guys, I'm burning butter.
She's almost setting fire to the house. Yeah.
Game
Yeah.
night lasted
We
a
had a
nice
game
long
night.
while.
Yeah, we
was fun.
stayed till like 11 o'clock or something like that. It was good. And then that's about it. So you're all cut up.
Caught up.
At.
That.
Yeah, you're that now. Those two kids we met at the skate park, they were cool.
They were
I guess they have YouTube channels, so I'll put the links to those in the description. That's about it. Bye, everybody.
Bye.